Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jen. Uh guys, today uh um what do I even say? I'm not happy because one of my kids is not fine. So guys, today, like, I want to talk to you guys about taking care of your pigs. Like, as if you've been following my content, I'm a pig farmer. Yeah, I'm a pig farmer. So I want to take you guys through what is literally happening. What is literally happening on my farm. As you can see behind me, there is that one up. The bum bum is up. That one is not really fine. And I started noticing it like yesterday evening, but I didn't pay much attention to it. And then when I was giving them today's food in the morning, I noticed that they had not eaten their food of yesterday. They didn't eat their food of yesterday. Okay, they ate, but they didn't finish, or the appetite is low. So I've literally been asking myself, what's the problem? Is it that they have an infection? Is it that they? So one thing, if you're a pig farmer, if you're doing pig farming, you need to be so keen. You need to be so observant with your pigs, with your animals, because the pigs tend to be kind of resistant in a certain way. But then when they're like completely drained, or when the disease has really attacked them so bad, is when they can lay down. But you just need to start observing these small things of check their urine whenever you're cleaning their house. You need to be so keen, you need to be so keen that you need to see where they sussed and where they defecated. So when you see where they sussed and the flow is fine, then they're fine. If you see where they pooped and the poop is hard, it's fine. But when you see where they've sussed and the flow, like where the urine has fallen, it gets white. Like literally, when it is urinating, you see the flow like turns white. And after urinating, there are always those drops that come. So if you see, like, even when it is moving and those drops like have dropped, you can trace the trail of where it passed when it finished urinating. Just know your pig is not fine. Just know your pig is not fine. And I noticed that, but I tended to ignore it because I'd changed their food, the kind of food I was giving them. I'd changed it. So I'm like, maybe it is because of the change of the food, but no, it has moved, it has kept on going. Like now for the urine, it has moved on like for 3 days. Though they were having good appetite, they were literally fine. They had good appetite, everything was okay. But for the loss of appetite, that is a cause of alarm. If your pig loses appetite, no, it is going to lose weight. It is going to lose weight, and it's something that is not good if you're a pig farmer. So my pig, when I gave it the food they always eat, the maize bran as usual, it refused. I went and picked banana leaves, like the way I always gave them. I just gave it a plain one. It ate. So in my mind, I'm asking myself, is it that it's tired of maize bran, or it's not fine? But to my view, on my side, I know it's not fine because its skin is not like it's not like the way it is. It has to be. Its skin is not like the way it has to be. Let me show you guys that one. As you can see, its skin is kind of red. You see, its skin is kind of red, and it is still chewing the leaves. Its skin is kind of red, and I don't know. And the ears are kind of turning like either. It's just not fine compared to this one. This one is okay. Like you can see, the ears are like okay. Everything about it is okay. You can see it has high appetite, it is happy. Like, and is my question is, what do we do, or what do I do? Huh? What do I do? Okay, the next thing you have to do when you get to realize your farm, when you get to realize your pigs are not okay at your farm or on your farm, the next thing you have to do is call the vet. Okay? Call the vet. So I'm going to call the vet, and definitely I'll take you through even when they're giving them that treatment. Because I know, yes, he's going to come and he's going to either inject them or give some treatment. That one I'm very much assured he's going to do it because he has always treated them. And for the case of the urine, let me show you guys what I was talking about still. You can see the flow. This is urine that is affected right here. It's affected here. It's affected. This is clean urine. This is clean urine. This is wet and this is dry. Even if it is susun and it is affected and the urine is wet, you will still see the white drops. You will still see the white drops. So you shouldn't ignore and you're like, oh no, what? No, 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 no. You need to be so conscious about the health of your animals. Yeah. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So I'm going to call the vet, and when the vet comes, I'm literally going to tell him to come and check on my pigs, because man, this is a project that is going to expand. Guys, if you're not following me on YouTube, please follow me. Actually, I decided to document this because in the country where I am, I'm in Uganda, eastern part of Uganda. In the country where I am, there's this they call it, how do they call it? Is this money the government is giving, like 1 million shillings? It's called I've forgotten the name, but there's, if you know, there's that money that give them 1 million shillings, but the process is I don't know, and the chemistry which is there. They'll say they'll give you 1 million, but when you go there, they give you 900,000, and you have to wait for a period. There are people who registered last year, June, up to now they haven't gotten the money. So the reason I've chosen to document this journey of mine of figure farming is not because I want it, like I want to document every step that I'm taking. I want to document every step that I'm taking. So in the long run, when everything sprouts, people should not come and say, oh, this is that government money that the government was giving. Hell no. I have started this with my own sweat. For the people who have watched, I've switched farming. I started with this room where I was. I fixed the floor myself with maram and so on. You should just go and watch. Initially, I was doing goat farming and sheep, and those things would purchase them and take them to Sudan, Juba. But as per now, when war came and what in that place, we decided to stop. And besides that, I left and went to do other things. Now I'm back farming. I've decided to do piggery farming, because I feel I can manage it. So I'm documenting this not because actually it's not because of it. I'm documenting it just for my own good, for my own good. There's this man that they always say, you used fund or something. People should not come and attack me when my thing goes far. People shouldn't come and attack me, because in the long run, people will come. I know they'll come. But please, my subscribers and my viewers, please, you'll always be my witnesses, because you will see the struggle, where we have come from and how far we are going. And another thing, I'm going to start another project. I'll tell you guys when that is soon and when it's going to happen. So as per now, let's call the vet, and we see how he will have to treat the what? then we have to treat the pig because it's not fine. It's even lying down. Hmm? Let me show. It's there. It's even lying down. It's there. Please, as you can see, I don't know. Even it's breathing. It's like shaking. It's having heavy breathing. I think it has a fever or an infection actually. You see, that food is here. They haven't finished the both of them. So let's stay tuned until the vet comes. I'll show you guys everything. So let's stay tuned. Guys, pray for me and please don't forget to like, share, comment, watch my content. I mean, watch my content. Eh? Yeah, let's watch my content. And if you're a pig farmer, always be very keen. Always be very keen. Always be very keen. And even if you have workers, there are workers who really don't mind. So I advise you to always check on your pigs, to always check on your farm, and you won't regret. So yeah, let's stay tuned. Hello, good morning, guys. So the veterinary doctor has come, like I told you guys yesterday. He didn't come yesterday, but he has come today's morning, and he's going to give them the treatment. Actually, the pig had a bacterial infection, so he's going to administer 3 injections, and we are going also to castrate them. So come with me as we go to castrate and as we treat our pig.
Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. You can make me move. You can make me move.
I'll show you guys how our pigs are castrated, how they are healing. They're actually fine now. They're literally fine. Let me show you guys how they look. My love, come. You see? That one is healing. That is where they cut. So the testicles all are out. So that is how we decided to castrate our pigs. And for the treatment for the bacterial infection, it was also treated. And they're all fine. They're literally fine. They're eating. They're lively. And my advice to the pig farmers, guys, make sure you're always very keen. Make sure you're always very keen with your animals. Like, make sure you're always very keen, because if you're keen, you'll always notice that this one is not fine, this one is fine. So for me, I always make sure I'm very keen on seeing how they are doing, whether they're healthy or they have appetite or they don't have appetite. I always make sure I notice that. And for the castration, like you saw, like you've seen in the other part, make sure you bring a professional veterinary doctor to do the castration on your pigs. Don't just bring any random person who will say, "Oh, me, I know, me, I know." No, 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 no. It's a process that needs professionalism. Yeah, it's a process that needs professionalism. So my advice to all the pig farmers, if you have your male pigs and you want to castrate them, please make sure you bring a professional veterinary doctor to carry out the process of removing those testicles out. And I'm so happy the process went on well. Even the other piglet is also fine. Inside here, they're all doing well. The appetite is back on point. The bacterial infection is gone. They dewormed them and they're literally fine, like fine. And I'm so happy. So I'm just so excited. And guys, I want to take you guys through this journey with me. I don't want the things of, no. That's why I'm deciding to take you guys through with me. I'm so excited. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Like, share, comment. I mean, what are you waiting for? Press the subscription button. It doesn't take you a minute. Just tap on it and I'm so happy. We are on 370 something subscribers and I'm so happy. Guys, make sure you watch. Even if you just watch for 5 minutes, like get an idea out of a video, out of some content creators. You know, um, someone may say, oh, I have it all. No, we keep learning. I mean, we keep learning. So make sure watch at least for a minimum of 5 minutes and you'll have picked something. So I have to end the video here and I have to say bye, bye, bye. We meet in the next video and I love you guys. So bye bye.